Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use CouponBet, a very efficient travel agency system, to search for a specific related visa request. Imagine you have a customer and the customer is planning to go to South Africa. So they want to see the safari there. However, they're asking, do I need a visa for that? Well, let's find out right away. So to do that, you just go to couponbet.com, you register or log in, and then once you logged in, you're in the dashboard, and then just click here on the tools. Once we click on the tools, we have to search for the visa tools here. You can see here the visa info for Philippine passport holders. And here we can just search right away. Does a customer, you can see here, tourist visa or cruise visa, if applicable. And in this case, the question, does a customer needs a visa in South Africa? Well, let's type in South Africa, and you can see right away, and let's type it full, alright. So you can see right away, for South Africa, yes, your customer will need a visa. And that's it. This saves you a lot of time because you can quickly search anything you need and fast to focus more on helping your customer instead of searching online or spending time on searching for the answer. And that's really it. CouponBet is designed to help you organize your travel agency with many tools like these. So if you're interested in CouponBet, sign up right away. Go to couponbet.com and register right away, and you're good to go.